a rational expression. First of all, we are going to multiply both sides by x squared. So in fact, the numerator and denominator by x squared. And when we are multiplying, we're going to have this scenario. X squared times 1 is a x squared minus 2 times x squared is a 2x squared divided by x. And the third term is a minus 15x squared divided by x squared. The same process we are going to apply in the lower part of the fraction of the rational expression. 3 times x squared is a 3x squared. X squared times 14 is a minus of 14x squared divided by x. And in the third term, minus 5x squared divided by x squared. And now we are going to simplify whatever we can simplify. So square here with the x, going to simplify, x squared with the x squared, same thing here in the lower part, square with the x and the x squared with the x squared. And now we can reduce and we can look how it looks now. Now it looks in this form, x squared minus 2x minus 15, and everything here is divided by 3x squared minus 14x and minus 5. And now we are going here to factor in the prime factors. How we can factor? To look now the upper part here, this is with the leading coefficient 1, so this is a very easy, so we can apply in this form. We are looking for what are good factors of 15 that we can reach minus 2. The good factors are 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15, but minus 5 plus 3 is a minus 15, and minus 5 plus 3 is a minus 2, so we can fill the criteria. We can satisfy the criteria. The middle term is a minus 2. And what we're going to do now? Now we are going to factor the upper part in this form. Is a x minus 5 and in the x plus 3. And now we have this here, so we have a 3x squared, so let's do some work here on the side. Let factor 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. And because of the leading coefficient is different from 1, so we are multiplying. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. So we have here minus 15. Minus 15. And I'm going to see here how we can reach the middle term here if we are factoring minus 15. We can reach in this form. So minus 15 is minus 15 times plus 1. Minus 15 times plus 1 is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 1 is minus 14. So this is satisfies. And now what we're going to do here, we are going to write this form. So I'm going with the combining. There are several methods, but I'm using the combining method. 3x squared minus 15x and is plus x and minus 5. So instead of write minus 14x, we are writing minus 14x. And now we are going to factor to find in the greatest common factor by a grouping. The first group here is a 3x factor. So it's going to be 3x times x minus 5. And in the other part here, x minus 5 is a plus x minus 5. So x minus 5 is the common factor. We can write x minus 5, and what remains here, 3x plus, and the coefficient here in the front is 1. Is a 3x plus 1. And now instead of this factor here, because we already factored, we can substitute here x minus 5 is divided by 3x plus 1. So those are the prime factors of this quadratic expression. And now we are looking what we can simplify here. X minus 5 with x minus 5 can be simplified, and the final result here is x plus 3 is divided by 3x plus 1. So this is the simplest form of this double rational expression.